Hi, my name is Sam and welcome to my channel here at Think Smart. I wanted to make this video because of the news that just came out. This is huge news and I felt the need to share this with you and what I have been doing in terms of trading. This is the big day we have all been waiting for. I've been holding Tesla for a short while now. I bought Tesla a little while back when it was 700. I know, I should have bought into it long ago. So I was trading Tesla for a while and then rebought into it at 1300. And of course, bought again once Tesla announced their gigantic news. On August 11th, Tesla announced they will be having a 5-to-1 stock split event on August 31st, which means for every share you own, you will receive an additional 4 shares. So if you own 1 share, you will have 5 shares on the day of the split. The price will also be cut 5 times or by a fifth. So for example, the price is currently dancing around 2,000. You bought it at 2,000. Divide that by 5, the shares will be now worth 400 per share on August 31st. Now, this does not change the valuation of the stock in any way, shape, or form. It just makes it more affordable to investors who would otherwise be unable or unwilling to pay the going price it is right now. It allows more investors who believe in the company to be able to invest. Now, Tesla is a terrific company. Over the years, Tesla has grown like no other company. Since its IPO 10 years ago, it is up 4,125%. Just this year alone, Tesla has grown exponentially. Elon Musk has done a really good job. This is one stock I am a believer in holding. Not only is Elon Musk a genius and a fantastic leader, but I believe he is the future, and not only in the automotive sector. He is doing great things with his other companies like SpaceX, solar panels, and energy. This is a stock you want to hold. His stock news, or his stock split news, could not have come at a better time too. His competitors were all creeping up on him. Local car companies are all trying to get in. China even faster. NIO and NIKOLA ramping up and getting ready like warp speed. Tesla has seen so much growth in such a short period of time. It had planned for a split later this year. But of course, Elon Musk released his plans and timed it so perfectly. Just as NIKOLA was gaining momentum, the day NIKOLA announced it had sold out on its pre-order of their trucks, Tesla came up and dropped the bomb the next day after. Tesla had to. NIKOLA is a new and growing company and is much more affordable. Even if people who like Tesla but couldn't afford it will go and buy NIKOLA or its other competitors. And I was going to buy some NIKOLA that day as well. But of course, Elon Musk is just too smart. So when he announced he will be splitting his stocks 5-to-1, I was all in. It took all the investors away from its competitors, knowing that people can now invest into Tesla when they couldn't before. He also had to do on the same day as Apple splitting their stocks. A coincidence? I don't think so. He had to, of course, steal the spotlight from Apple. So since then, many people have been wondering, would it be a better idea to buy before the split or after the split? I'll give my answer and my reasoning. Since it is an expensive stock and the price just kept on climbing after the news hit, about a 50% climb since the announcement, some wonder whether it was worth it to buy it now while it's high versus buying it in the few $100 price range after the split, since there is no change in the company. Since there is absolutely no change in the company at the moment, there is no difference between buying it now or buying it after. But if you can afford it, I would buy it before the split. I believe the stock will soar like crazy after, just on the fact that more people can afford to buy it. Especially young investors with limited amount to invest can now jump on board. These investors, they know what they are doing. They are aggressive when it comes to investing. They are ambitious, but they may be constrained by their income. And this is what will drive the price up like mad. Plus, Tesla has never done a stock split before. This is an all-time mega never seen before event. Other reasons as well, Tesla is continuing to grow and is ever evolving and fast. His plants in other countries are building at light speed pace. He's able to meet production demands. He has the capacity to grow his productions and meet them. He is innovative in his battery consumption. It is in the billionaire status, and there is no stopping this company from being the future of electric vehicles. Plus, Elon Musk is seen as an icon to many people compared to other successful leaders of the big tech giants such as Tim Cook, Jeff Bezos, or Mark Zuckerberg. And aside from being really smart, he's young, attractive, charismatic, and unpredictable man. Everyone seems to love and follow him. And he's in the automobile industry, so not to mention that. He is a visionary. He is bringing the future. People will invest just because of him and the brand he has built up, without even needing to look at Tesla's balance sheets or financial statements. So what have I done? I have bought more Tesla in increments since the news because my funds were tied up in other stocks. So every time I sell my shares in other positions and release some money, I kept buying into Tesla. What will I do? I will hold my shares until August 31st to be eligible for the stock split. I will continue to hold my shares after the split because, as I mentioned, I believe in Tesla and that Tesla will be the future in the automotive industry and in other industries he's in as well. If there is a pullback, don't sell it, hold it. If it skyrockets, I will sell some shares and hold the rest. Subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon to catch me here on Monday for a recap. And let's see what happens on August 31st. See you then, and start counting down.